The National Honor Society recently held their first ever Grow in STEM science fair. People of all ages enjoyed booths from the high school STEM clubs, other younger students in the district, and also outside organizations.
I did a robot that's a color sensor that will follow a black line.
Over 300 people attended. The event also featured a raffle, a math activity hallway, and an astronomy presentation in the planetarium informing about the solar eclipse.
It's really important because it allows kids to explore the different things that STEM can be and have a creative outlet for the kids who are doing their own projects. They can just learn about all the different things STEM can be and how they can be part of STEM. I think it's really cool seeing all these kids being able to get hands-on different topics.
While the event advertised towards kids, anyone of all ages were able to enjoy. Overall, the fair had a great turnout and even more anticipation for future Grow in STEM events.
This is sea monkey. Grasshopper.
Reporting for Northwind News, I'm Gwen Catalan.